Stretching after an injury can be one of the most effective ways to regain flexibility and prevent stiffness, but it must be done safely. The key is understanding when and how to stretch without disrupting the healing process. Immediately after an injury, your body goes through an inflammatory phase. During this time, stretching the affected area too soon can cause more harm than good. You should only begin stretching once swelling has gone down and pain has eased, typically under the guidance of a healthcare professional. When you're ready, start gently. The first rule of safe stretching is to avoid pain. You should feel mild tension or a gentle pull, never sharp pain. Move slowly into each stretch. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and breathe deeply. Deep breathing helps relax the muscles and improves circulation. Focus on active stretching rather than forcing static holds. Active stretches involve gentle movement within your comfortable range of motion. This helps restore function while keeping tissues warm and engaged. Examples include slow leg swings, arm circles, or neck rotations performed in a pain-free range. Static stretching, where you hold a position, can be introduced later as healing progresses. When doing so, target the muscles surrounding the injured area rather than the injury itself at first. For example, if you've hurt your hamstring, start by stretching your hips and lower back to support mobility without stressing the healing tissue directly. Use heat before stretching and ice afterward if needed. Heat increases blood flow and makes tissues more pliable, while ice helps reduce inflammation if any soreness appears. Consistency matters more than intensity. Stretch daily if you can, but always respect your limits. If you feel increased pain, swelling, or stiffness afterward, ease up. Your body is telling you it's too soon or too much. The best approach to safe stretching after injury is patience and awareness. Over time, gentle stretching will help restore movement, improve flexibility, and build confidence in your body again. Remember, slow progress is still progress, and your body heals best when you move with care.